Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a soft and colorful Suji custard cake. Light texture, gentle sweetness, and a beautiful vanilla custard flavor. This no-oven cake is perfect for tea time or kid snacks. Let's start the recipe. Add 1 cup suji, half cup sugar to a blender, and blend into a fine powder. Suji cakes are lighter than flour cakes. Pour into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup oil, half cup milk. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Resting suji batter improves texture. Now take 3 tablespoons custard powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve together. Custard powder adds soft color and aroma. Do not overmix after adding baking agents. Add 3 tablespoons milk and mix well. Add 1 to 2 drops yellow food color and mix evenly. Now in a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons tutti frutti with 1 teaspoon flour. Add this to the batter and mix gently. Grease oil in a 6-inch mold and place baking paper. Pour the batter and spread some tutti frutti on top. Tutti frutti makes cakes more fun and place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cool completely before cutting. Suji is easy to digest. Homemade cakes avoid preservatives. Less butter makes it lighter. Suitable for kids and elders. Your Suji custard cake is soft, colorful, and perfectly baked. Serve it hot with tea or as a light dessert. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy baking recipes.